Welcome to Feedback Studio. Now, in the video on tracing sources, we covered how to understand the various options for viewing the sources highlighted by the similarity report. In that video, we talked about the fact that often those passages that are highlighted by the similarity report are not actually things that constitute academic misconduct. For example, in this essay, the second largest similarity is this block quotation. Now, in accordance with most referencing conventions, a block quotation does not contain quotation marks, so the lack of quotation marks is not a problem. The essay clearly does not use the Harvard referencing conventions, according to which the citation should appear in parentheses at the end of the quote. However, the full reference for the source does appear in a footnote at the bottom. Now, in this case, because the original source of the quote has been clearly shown, it may be difficult to argue that this matched any of the definitions of academic misconduct as defined in Part 8 of the Manual of General Regulations. So, we might not feel that this needs to be counted as part of the similarity report and want to exclude it. We might want to make a comment maybe about the academic referencing, perhaps with a quick comment for the student to review guidelines on correct referencing, but apart from this, we may want to just exclude the paragraph from the report. Now, to do this, we simply click on the arrow next to the highlighted source and then go to the Exclude Sources button at the bottom. From here, we can select which of the matching sources we want to exclude. In this instance, we want to exclude all of them. Clicking the red Exclude button will ask Feedback Studio to recalculate the similarity report, and bang, bingo, it's gone. The report now shows a similarity of 13%. Now, one of the good things about this is that any source that you do exclude is not lost entirely from the report, so if you make a mistake or if you want to restore anything back to the similarity report at a later point, you can go to the Exclude Sources panel from the similarity report toolbar. And here you can see all the sources that you've excluded, and you can either select which ones you want to restore or simply click on the button to restore all.